Good morning, students. So today is the last class of this chapter. So let's do the last problem relating to the chapter. Let's take illustration 75. Ankur and Bobby were into the business of providing software solution in India. They were sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Rohit for 1/5 share in the firm. Rohit is an alumni of IIT Chennai, would help them expand their business. Rohit is guaranteed a minimum profit of 2 lakh every year. Any deficiency in Rohit's share is to be borne by Ankur and Bobby in the ratio 4:1. Losses of the year is 1 lakh. Passed in essay journal entries. So in this problem, they have asked us to pass the essay journal entries, and they have also said that there is a loss of 1 lakh rupees. So in all the previous problem, we had seen that whenever there is a profit, how do the partners share the guaranteed profit to the third partner? But in this case, there is a loss. So we shall be seeing how such kind of problems will be solved. So we need to write down the journal entries. So write down journal entries. We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So because it is a loss, we will not be preparing the profit and loss appropriation account, but we will be preparing the profit and loss account. So the first journal entry will be to transfer the loss among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So after the journal entries, write down the working note. Distribution of loss among the partners. So first it will be Rohit's share. Why first we are writing Rohit's share? Because he is a new partner who has been admitted in the firm. So it is 1 lakh into 1/5, that is 20,000. So what is the remaining loss? Remaining loss is 1 lakh minus 20,000, which is 80,000. Then we will distribute among the two partners in the ratio 3:2. So Ankur's share will be 80,000 into 3/5, that is 48,000. And Bobby's share will be 80,000 into 2/5, that is 32,000. So how much profit is guaranteed to Rohit? He is guaranteed a profit of 2 lakh in the firm. So now total, how much should the partners give Rohit? It should be 2 lakh plus 20,000. Why plus 20,000? Because this is a loss which has been suffered by Rohit, and they had guaranteed him that they will give him 2 lakh as profit. So now if they give him only 2 lakh, how much will be the actual Rohit share then? 2 lakh minus loss 20,000. It will be 1,80,000, which is less than the guaranteed profit. That is why they will be giving him 2 lakh plus 20,000. So write down in the next line. Rohit is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 2 lakh, whereas share of loss debited to his capital account is rupees 20,000. Full stop. Hence he will be credited by 2,20,000 borne by Ankur and Bobby in the ratio 4:1. So our first journal entry will be transferring the loss. So Ankur's capital account debited, Bobby's capital account debited. Rohit's capital account debited to profit and loss account. So it is 48,000, 32,000, 20,000, 2 lakh. Narration will be loss of rupees 1 lakh divided among the partners. Our next journal entry will be Ankur's capital account debited, Bobby's capital account debited to Rohit's capital account. What is the narration? Deficiency of Rohit's share of profit met by Ankur and Bobby in the ratio 4:1. So it will be 2,20,000 into 4 by 5 to Ankur, that is 1,76,000. 2,20,000 into 1 by 5 to Bobby, that is 44,000, and Rohit will be 2,20,000. So why have I written it this way? And in profit, how we used to write? We used to just transfer it to the profit and loss appropriation account. But in this problem, there is a loss of 1 lakh rupees. And because there is a loss, Rohit's capital is already reduced by 20,000. So to add 2,20,000 to it, we are crediting Rohit's account and we are debiting Ankur and Bobby's capital account. So this is the difference when in the problem they have given us the profit in the year ending and when they have given us a loss in the year ending. Whenever there is a loss, we prepare profit and loss account. Whenever there is profit, we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. And the deficiency is always divided according to the last journal entry. So we have completed this chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.